Good morning, students of class 3. This is the fourth part of the third lesson, Matilda, the reader of books. In the last three videos, I explained the story about Matilda, an extraordinary girl. At the age of 1.5 years, she began to speak like grown-ups. At the age of 4, she was wanting for books. Whatever she had at home, she read everything. Then she wanted more books. So she went to a library and there she met Mrs. Phelps, the librarian, and she helped her to read books. Within few days, she completed the children's books which were in the library. After that, she was wanting for a book, a famous one, which is read by grown-ups. So, first book she read was Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. That book contains 411 pages. Within 1 week, she completed that book also. Then she said some writers say a lot of things, but some I understood, some I don't. Then Mrs. Phelps, she said, good writers always make us to think again. Then she said, the libraries allow the readers to take book and go home so that they can sit at home and read. So that onwards, she stopped going to library every day. Instead of that, once in a week, she went to library and returned the books and took other books to read. By reading the books, she went through many places. Sitting in a small room in a village, she traveled all over the world. So this was the content of the lesson. So my dear students, so we have completed 3 lessons. I explained 3 lessons and I gave 2 lessons question answers and a poems question answers. So my dear students, you will be getting all these question answers in your lofty. So please sit and write all these answers in your fair notebook. When the school reopens, I shall be checking and giving you back your copies. Therefore, during these holidays, you please sit and write the question answers. Now, I am going to explain the word meaning that you have to write in your copy. So, the first one is what? Cover, you can write lesson number 3, Matilda, the reader of books. Below the second line, you can write word meaning. So, first one is cover to cover. Cover to cover means what? From beginning to end. Enough to write this much. Cover to cover means from beginning to end. Recipes means step to make food. Recipes means step to make food. Now the next one is public library. A library that is open to everyone. Number 3 is public library. A library that is open to everyone. Now number 4, toddle down. Walk in a relaxed way. Toddle down means walk in a relaxed way. Cozy, number 5 is cozy, that means comfortable. Enough to write one word, comfortable. Then number 6, wandering. Wandering means roaming. Wandering means roaming. So these are the 6 word meanings we have in this lesson. So my dear students, please write in your notebook and learn them. Okay, so that you will not have any problem when we start the classes. So now you all are going for your holidays. Though we are unable to come out of our house, we are on holiday. So my dear students, please learn the question answers, word meanings and exercises which I have given to you. Clear? So read the books. Read the books clearly and go through the word meanings, question answers and exercises. And here we have got one, unscramble the jumbled words to complete the wise words of a wise writer, Dr. Seuss. Okay, here some of the words means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words have given dark. So let us unscramble the jumbled words. The more that you ADRE is given. So cut ADRE and write above of that READ, read. What is that ADRE is? That is read. READ, read. The more things you will know. KNOW. Please cut the word KWON and write there KNOW, no. The more that you learn, LEARN, learn. Here it is given NEARL. Cut that word and write there LEARN, learn. The more, cut CESPLA and write there places. PLACES. You will, OG means go. Okay. So OG means GO, go. Now I'll read the correct words. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. So these words are of a wise writer, Dr. Seuss. So this you can write on this given space. Here we have got 3 lines, isn't it? So there you can write. Okay. So my dear students, today I am going to wind up this lesson with this exercise and word meaning. So till we meet again, go through the exercises, lesson, word meaning, question answers. Take care, be safe, stay at home, be happy. Thank you students and have a good day.